So these are the various attachments that we need to make a DJI gimbal. So you can see here, this is the basic battery. So if you press this button, you can see how much of a charge there is. So all the 4 lights are glowing, so that means this is fully charged. Then we have the base. So first, for setting up the gimbal, we need a flat surface. So we are going to keep this on a flat surface. So this comes like this. So we just have to expand these wing arm like structures. Then we have to take the battery, check it, and then we just have to make sure this screw goes on the screw that is present here. So we are just going to match it like this, and that's it, right? So this is done. So now we have to take the main part. So this is the actual gimbal where everything is present. So we have to take it and we have to look for the groove here and the notch here. So we have to match it. You can see there are electrical contacts here and here. So we just have to insert it like this. That's it. So we have inserted it, and then we just have to lock it. That's it. It's in place. So if you want to unlock, you just have to if you want to unlock, you just have to do it like this. So it will get unlocked. But for locking, we just have to keep it in place and it locks, right? So now this is firm. So we have the base and we have the battery, we have the gimbal, right? So we have the grip as well. So grip comes like this when it's packed. So we have to loosen the screw, and then we have to check which side we are going to use it. So I'm going to use it on my left side. So I'm just going to use this here, and there is also a groove here. Can you see? So we just have to attach it like this and tighten the screw. That's it. It's firmly in place. So this is the basic gimbal setup. So let me show the same thing in a wider angle. So after fixing the gimbal, we have 3 more attachments which will come and get locked here in this place. So what are those 3 attachments? So these are the 3 attachments. This is used to quickly remove it, and this is the groove that locks with this, right? So this attachment goes and gets locked there, and then this is the slider plate. So luckily it goes in only one way, so we just have to find that. So this is how it goes in. you can see there is a space here, and then there is a lock here also. So you just have to put it in like this, so it will not come out. Once it goes in, it will not come out, it gets locked. The only way to remove it is to press the quick release button here, right? So now we have locked both of this in place. So the next thing we have to do is we just have to lock this. So we just have to lock this particular attachment along with in this place. That's it. We have locked that as well. So that's it. So we have, I'll remove this from first and I'll show you. So to remove, you have to press this. So you have, this is where the camera actually goes. So this is the nut that we use to lock the camera. So this goes into the slider here. So once it goes in, that's it, it gets locked. Again, to release, you just have to press this, right? So this goes in here, and then you have a, this entire attachment goes into this quick release plate. So you just have to put it like this. Again, this gets locked. The only way to remove it is to press this and then pull it out, otherwise it gets locked, right? So that's it, we have fixed everything together. So now our work is to take this entire attachment and fix it here. So let's see how we are going to do that, right? So we had fixed this attachment. So now we just have to take this and latch it onto this particular area. So we are just going to take it and fix it here. So can you see there are grooves here and there are similar grooves here as well. So we just have to take this and you just have to press this nut. You have to press this particular nut, so that way we can tighten it. That's it. So this is how we assemble gimbal, right? So now our gimbal is fully assembled from top to bottom. So next step is we have to mount the camera on it and then we have to stabilize it, right? So that's the next step, but this is how the gimbal looks. Right, you can see the entire gimbal from top to bottom, how it looks, right? So okay, we'll see how to do the next step.